out mangoes. Now...
Oh, hold on.
Mm-hmm.
Amy lived in Florida for over 10 years, so she is like the mango expert.
I just love mangoes. So you don't get a degree in mango by living in Florida. But I do love mangoes, and so, but Shannon grew up in Wisconsin. And
so I cut maybe 10 mangoes in my entire life. They were really expensive.
And my kids
I think I did it wrong.
love mangoes, and my husband's coworker grew mangoes and stuff, so we got mangoes a lot. And we had a mango tree too.
Yes.
The mango tree.
Yep.
So there's a little bit to picking out good mangoes and knowing when they're ready. So a mango will not necessarily be all orange or red when it's ready. Like those are like the ones that are in nice videos, right?
Right. So it's okay if they're still green?
Yeah, it's totally fine if they're still green. What you're looking for is just to have a little give. Now this one is a little underripe. I can't push on it and it doesn't like give a little bit. Feel that.
All right, let's see.
So
it kind of feels like an avocado that's not ripe. And that I will have more experience with cutting.
And this one is a little bit more ripe. It's, and you want to look around, make sure there's no like weird spots on them or anything like that, like little bruises like you find on apples.
Oh, right. Yep.
That's
so kind of like little brown.
Right. So then you're like, maybe that's going south. You
don't want to eat that.
Don't want to eat that. So this one is softer and it's got a bigger red spot, and it's not uncommon for them to like red and orange up. Like that's what you're used to seeing. But right. That one's a good second round. Like I would cut that one up and eat it. It would be fine. But this one is definitely getting to the point where I need to use it. It's even wrinkling a little bit. And sometimes at the top, you'll see juice kind of squirting out and have like a little line down. Like if it's starting to kind of weep.
It's like, eat me! No!
Eat me! So this is the like
now or never, lady.
So this is the one I would choose out of those three.
And you can kind of tell that there's like some flat areas from when it sat on the counter or
right.
in the box that it's soft enough that it's actually kind of...
And it's got some little wrinkles in it too, which means it's,
It's old, like me. Like Malibu Barbie.
It's aged to perfection. So I have 2 knives out for this. I'm not going to use them at the same time.
And take your glasses off.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Yes, sorry, these are not the best for seeing.
Now, Amy's going to show you some really cool mad knife skills on cutting mangoes, because I obviously do not know what I'm doing with
I am no iron chef. I cut slow. This is going to be very slow.
So while she's slowly cutting the mango and showing you her technique, I'm going to be making us some lovely cocktails.
Fortunately, the cocktails will be after I do the cutting.
Yes,
so
that's why she has to do this first.
So on a mango has a very flat, fibrous seed. So I'm going to be finding the top and then cutting it down off the sides.
So are you doing a dead center or no? You said
no, I'm
center?
just off the.
You just said it.
I just said it.
Was I
off
not
the side? No, you were going to get.
I have higher priorities right now.
I see that. So I just cut the one side off, and like there's the seed right there.
Okay.
So and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side.
So how wide do you think that seed is in the center? Like a ½ inch?
It's about almost an inch wide. And of course it varies. So, but that's what I have left of mango. And there's still good mango on the sides as well. So I'm cutting the 2 halves off, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut around and cut the sides off the mango as well, because that is good mango that we wouldn't want to go to waste.
Are you just kind of guiding it to where you feel resistance?
Right, yeah.
Okay.
I cut down and then I start to feel it, and so this is essentially the shape of the seed. And then I've got these little slivers, and my son loves eating mango spears, so I just take my paring knife and I cut it down and out of the peel. So there's my peel, and then I've got my nice mango slice.
Nice.
So, and then I can turn it on its side. Now mango's fibrous, so you're gonna have to cut, the reason I grabbed 2 knives was because I can cut it with my paring knife. Let me set these guys to the side. But then I can take my big chef knife and really puree that baby up.
Because it does need to be pretty small to get through that piping too.
Right.